These 3 Google tricks will make your phone faster and stop Google from creeping on you right now. Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you 3 Google settings to turn off immediately. Do this and your phone gets more private, runs smoother, and even saves battery. Before we jump in, like the video if you want to support the video. Really appreciate it. Step 1. Open your main phone settings and scroll down to Google. Tap it. In Google, now hit All Services at the top. In All Services, scroll to Privacy and Security. In Privacy and Security, the first one is Personalization with Shared Data. Tap it. This lets Google Apps use your device info to improve recommendations, but honestly, it's just a way to serve you ads and track everything you do. Turn every switch off, yep, all of them. You might see apps like Maps, Gmail, or Chrome. Switch those off too. No joke, this actually helps. Next up, let's crush the second one, Usage and Diagnostics. Tap on it. Google's basically creeping on every tap and swipe. No thanks. Yeah, this one's kinda sneaky. All it does is run stuff in the background and send your actions to developers. Turn this off. Less background activity equals battery life saved and smoother performance. Finally, the third setting, ads. Here's your advertising ID. It's how companies follow your activity and hit you with targeted ads. First, reset it and confirm it. Then, delete it completely. Boom, ad tracking just got cut in half. You'll still see ads, but they're way less annoying and more random instead of constantly stalking you. And that's it. Your phone's now less tracked, lighter, and more private. If this helped, drop a like and comment below.